Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best portable wheelchairs which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them based on quality, price, and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
If you're looking for the ultimate in comfort and style, you've found it with the EWheels EW46. This fun-to-drive electric scooter features front and rear suspension for a smoother ride, while 15-inch pneumatic tires allow you to drive effortlessly over varied terrain. The EW46 also has plenty of power and will get up to 15 miles per hour for up to 35 miles on a single charge. The EW46 has a fully adjustable large captain's seat and is one of the most comfortable seats around, and it holds up to 400 pounds. You'll also find an easy-to-read LED console that shows estimated speed, mileage, and battery life for navigating your ride. A full LED lighting package delivers exceptional visibility with directional turn signals, brake lights, and an ultra-bright headlight with both rear and side LED running lights. Dual rear-view mirrors allow you to see what's behind you, while the electromagnetic handbraking system ensures safe braking. This rugged scooter also features a sturdy front steel bumper that protects you from the unexpected. This scooter is ready for anything, so start your adventure today with the EWheels EW46.
Introducing the future of portable mobility with the WHILL Model F folding wheelchair. Quickly fold and unfold the Model F in less than 3 seconds, making storage and transportation a breeze. The world is yours to explore thanks to a 12.4-mile range. Power up hills and ramps with a dual-motor drive system and 1.4-inch obstacle clearance. Puddles and surprise rain showers are no issue with our water-resistant design. Navigate narrow spaces with ease. Go wherever life takes you with the new WHILL Model F.
With the Spitfire Scout 4-wheel, you get excellent stability when traveling over outdoor terrain. And when the battery gauge shows the need for recharging, it's simple from the port on the battery pack. Along with great performance, the Spitfire Scout offers excellent comfort. The upholstered stadium-style seat can swivel 180 degrees and also has 3 height selections to suit users of nearly any height. The padded armrests flip up for convenient boarding and exiting of the scooter, and the armrest width can be adjusted to best fit the user. Plus, the tiller's angle is adjustable to position the controls in the most comfortable driving position. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead.
Hello, I would like to introduce you to the Lumex LF1600 Stand Assist. The Lumex LF1600 Stand Assist is a manual aid used for patients with adequate arm and leg strength to support themselves but need assistance with transitioning, such as bed to chair, wheelchair, bed, chair, wheelchair to commode, room to room. We will now demonstrate how to make a transfer from a seated position. This is a manual sit-to-stand lift. Position the lift in front of the resident. Lock the casters. Have the resident step on the lift and pull themselves up to a standing position. Unfold the seat cushions and have the resident sit and hold the handrail during transfer. Reverse the procedure once the transfer is complete. Lumex LF1600 Stand Assists are designed for use with patients with weight up to 400 pounds and for user heights between 5 feet and 1 inches and 6 feet and 6 inches. For more information on Lumex LF1600, please refer to your instruction sheet or visit grahamfield.com for more information.
Introducing the Everest and Jennings Advantage LX wheelchair. The Advantage LX is the standard wheelchair that provides comfort and durability at an affordable price but higher weight capacity. It offers an attractive silver vein durable hammer-tone steel finish that prevents scratching. It is designed as a low-maintenance wheelchair. It has tool-free adjustable footrests and/or elevating leg rests with black composite foot plates. Heel loops are standard on swing-away footrests. It is available with detachable desk and full-length padded arms for enhanced patient comfort. The Advantage LX is available in black padded nylon and vinyl leatherette upholstery, all with a standard back chart pocket to place your favorite things. It is available in 16, 18, and 20-inch seat width with 16-inch seat depth. The carbon steel frame design allows a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds evenly distributed. Our wheelchairs reflect the commitment to quality, durability, efficiency, and patient comfort as a signature of our work. Graham Field for a better quality of life.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.